Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix LG Smart TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. First, try forgetting and adding your Wi-Fi network again. Sometimes the TV saves an old connection profile that causes connection problems. Press the Settings button on your remote, then go to All Settings, select Network, and open Wi-Fi connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network and select Disconnect or Forget. After removing the network, select it again, enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, and reconnect. Make sure the password is correct before trying again. The next step is to disable Quick Start Plus. This feature keeps your TV in a low-power standby mode, but it can sometimes stop the TV from fully restarting and clearing network issues. Go to Settings, select All Settings, open General, and find Quick Start Plus. Turn this option off. After that, unplug your TV from the power outlet for about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and check if the Wi-Fi connection works. If your LG TV is still not connecting, try changing the DNS settings. A different DNS server can help create a more stable connection. Open Settings, go to All Settings, select Network, choose Wi-Fi connection, and open Advanced Wi-Fi settings. Turn off the option called Set Automatically for DNS. Then enter 8.8.8.8 manually as the DNS server and press Connect. These steps can solve many common LG Smart TV Wi-Fi problems. Thanks for watching.